Good morning, friends. Well, today I have breaking news. There was a huge update for millions of Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries this month. An extra monthly benefit boost may be passed to help seniors cope with rising inflation. Seniors may also receive thousands of dollars extra each year if a new bill is passed. So friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video. If you are a Social Security beneficiary, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below each keyword of each video that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Remember, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
Inflation. I know when we get home, it is always the number one issue that's out there. I don't think there's been enough talk of how the inflation came about. The inflation came about because of excessive spending. Every middle school student should know that if the federal government spends wildly more than on the amount going out than the amount going in, the Federal Reserve has to, in essence, print the dollars to make those payments, and when the Federal Reserve prints more dollars, the value of the dollar drops, which is why we have these huge spending increases. Now, I'll make a couple of comments on them. First of all, I think the numbers that we're supposed to talk about, the 9.1% increase in inflation, is woefully underrated. Here is the graph that all us politicals are supposed to talk about. Does anybody believe that the cost of shelter in the last 12 months has only gone up 5.6%? Where's the press? They ought to be making fun of that number. When I talk to my landlords, when I talk to my builders, nobody thinks things have gone up only 5.6% in the last year. I think the cost of a new house has gone up 20 to 25%. I think the cost of rental has gone up by 10 to 15%. It's way more than the 5.6% on this chart. Same thing is true of automobiles. They tell us used automobiles have gone up by about 11.4% in the last year. Talk to your car dealers. They'll laugh at the idea that used cars have only gone up by 11.4% in the last year. Things are much worse than the numbers that are put out there by the Biden administration. And therefore, the American public is suffering a lot more than even this so-called record inflation increase of 9.1. It's much more than that. But once we get done looking at that, let's look at the new spending bills that are coming out. Have people learned their lesson? Are all of a sudden we going to produce, even on the relatively small part of the budget that's discretionary?
It's been a tough year for many seniors. Inflation has been surging. The stock market is falling, and a recession is looking more and more likely. According to a survey from Gallup, nearly 90% of current retirees say that Social Security is an important source of income. It is good to understand the upcoming changes to the program and how they could affect your retirement. It's been a historic year for Social Security, and the changes in 2023 could be massive. Our lawmakers are already working together to find ways to improve Social Security. Representative Ted Deutsch and Senator Mazie Hirono renewed their call for Congress to strengthen and improve the Social Security program. The Social Security Administration recently released its annual trustees report, which indicated that while the program remained strong in 2017, improvements should be made to ensure that full costs and benefits are payable into the foreseeable future and beyond. Representative Deutsch has stated, "The truth is, Social Security does not add a dime to the deficit. It is a retirement bedrock of millions of Americans, and we should keep it that way. Now is the time that Congress should prepare for the future by expanding Social Security. No cuts, no retirement age increases." Last year, Representative Deutsch and Senator Hirono initially introduced the Protecting and Preserving Social Security Act, which would strengthen and improve the Social Security program by restoring fairness in contributions and providing more accurate measures to determine annual cost of living adjustments for beneficiaries. Friends, the keyword for this video is New Mexico. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, Please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is New Mexico, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. There is another bill that is currently being negotiated on in Congress. This bill aims to raise Social Security payments and could provide senior citizens with an additional $2,400 each year. The Social Security Expansion Act was proposed by Vermont Senator Bernie Sanders and Oregon Congressman Peter DeFazio. It would expand Social Security payments by $200 monthly for most recipients. To do so, the bill would raise Social Security taxes on Americans making over $250,000 annually, which Bernie Sanders and Peter DeFazio said would not affect roughly 93% of taxpayers. According to Congressman DeFazio, once the bill passes, someone qualifying for Social Security next year could see $200 more a month in payments than they otherwise would have received. CNBC has reported that protecting Social Security is a high priority for voters. A survey by Social Security Works and Data for Progress found 64% of people are very concerned that the program will run out of funding to continue paying benefits to future generations. The Social Security Administration said last month that the program may only be able to pay 80% of its benefits by the year 2035 without reform. The bill proposed by Bernie Sanders and Peter DeFazio would also raise the cost of living adjustments to more accurately reflect how seniors spend their money. Social Security's cost of living rate is already adjusted each year based on an inflation measurement tied to urban wage earners and clerical workers. The bill would instead adjust the cost of living based on spending specifically by seniors, which focuses more on healthcare and prescriptions. The average Social Security check as of May was $1,668. According to AARP, with inflation above 9% as of June, checks could significantly increase in size next year to match these rising prices. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so very much for joining me here and watching or listening to my videos. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Marianne Woodham. Congratulations, dear friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me an email, or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed day.